Hey guys, I'm Ashif Ali and great news here. MetaHuman Creator Early Access out now, and this is the Unreal Engine official channel video just come about an hour ago, and it has just a link in description, and I will just click and see how we can download it if it's available. So here it is showing you this button request access, and when you click on this, it shows you this sign up setup. So I'll just quickly put the name here and I'll just fill this. India, India, and industry would be games. And let's submit this. It's taking time. Okay, so you all are so excited. The form is struggling to keep up. Okay, so multiple users are doing the same thing. So server is not taking all together. So it can take time, and I'll try many times. And if it's I will succeed in this, then I will move ahead and show you how it will work. So let me check it 2-3 times. Okay, again. I click this launch the app button and it's showing me this. So I allow this, showing me error, you don't have permission, because first I have to request the access. So if I'm requesting it again, let me see if it's still showing me error or not. It not take India as I am typing, but I have to select India from this pop-up. Industry games. So I have to first request the access, then I can use that. Still not. I think it's not available in India for now because it will spread slowly with some group of people. It will not be available for all of us at once. I will keep trying. I think I have to leave it now because I don't have access, but I will keep trying, and once I get the permission I will make another video. And this is really exciting. So it seems like it will not be available for me right now, so I'm just quitting this time, and I'll try this offline. If it will be available for me, I'll create again a video, but I'll just stop this now.